In the sunny town of Sunshineville, where laughter sparkled like sunshine rays, Lila and her fluffy friend Fluffly were gearing up for a day of exciting adventures. Fluffly, with his fluffy tail and gleaming eyes, had a fantastic idea. A game called Sunshineville Word Hunt Bingo. Gathering Lila, Benny, Zoe, and Giggly Gus at the heart of Sunshineville, Fluffly wagged his tail and handed out bingo cards with pictures of common objects and animals. The friends were excited, ready for the word hunting challenge that Fluffly had in store. Fluffly, with his magical paws, turned the town square into a bingo bonanza. The Sunshineville word Hunt Bingo was ready to begin. Each child, with a bingo card in hand and a marker ready, eagerly awaited the words called out by Fluffly. With a bounce and a twirl, Fluffly declared, "Let the word hunt begin!" The children, with giggles and grins, scanned their bingo cards as Fluffly called out words like tree, cat, and car. Each word matched a picture on their cards, and they marked it with their markers. Benny, with his keen eyes, quickly marked the picture of the tree. Zoe, with her speedy hands, marked the picture of the cat. Giggly Gus, with his infectious laughter, marked the picture of the car. Lila, with her sparkly eyes, marked the picture of the sun. The friends erupted in cheers, their laughter filling the air like joyful melodies. Fluffly, with a playful twirl, added a challenge. "Find a word that rhymes with cat." The children giggled and searched for words like bat and hat, marking the corresponding pictures on their bingo cards. Sunshineville echoed with the sounds of laughter and word-hunting fun. With each word called, the excitement grew. Fluffly, the word maestro, called out words that made the children hop, skip, and jump to mark the pictures on their cards. The first to get a line shouted, "Bingo!" and the friends erupted in cheers, celebrating their word-hunting success. With a triumphant tail twirl, Fluffly declared the Sunshineville word hunt, bingo, a success. The friends gathered in the centre of the town square, sharing stories of their word-hunting adventure. Fluffly, with his magical touch, turned the square into a cosy picnic spot. They sat on blankets, enjoyed snacks, and celebrated the joy of their word-hunting escapade. As the sun set in Sunshineville, Lila and Fluffly taught their friends that games could be a magical journey through the world of words and creative play. The Sunshineville word hunt, bingo, became a cherished tradition, inspiring the children to explore the magic of friendship and word-hunting fun. With dreams of more word-hunting adventures, they fell asleep, eager for the next day of playful surprises in the sunny town of Sunshineville. Once upon a time in the charming town of Laughterburg, where giggles echoed through the air like a happy melody, Lila and her enchanting dog, Fluffly, were ready for a brand new adventure. The sun beamed down, casting a warm glow over the town as they hatched a plan to bring joy and laughter to all their friends. Lila, with her creative mind, thought of organising a puppet show that would be so magical and entertaining that it would whisk everyone away from their screens. Fluffly, with his wagging tail and twinkling eyes, was up for the challenge. Little did they know, this puppet show would turn into an enchanted spectacle. Fluffly, with his magical powers, gathered an assortment of puppets from a dusty old chest in Lila's attic. As he wiggled his tail with excitement, a burst of magical sparkles brought the puppets to life. The puppets jumped and danced, creating a delightful chaos in Lila's room. Lila and Fluffly, startled yet amused, quickly realised that they now had lively puppet friends who were eager to be part of the show. There was Penny, the playful panda, Timmy, the talkative turtle, Riley, the radiant rabbit, and Ollie, the outgoing owl. But the real challenge lay ahead, organising the most fantastic puppet performance Laughterburg had ever seen. Lila, Fluffly, and their friends gathered in the town square, where a makeshift puppet theatre awaited them. The sun dipped low, and the stars began to twinkle as the stage was set for the Enchanted Puppet Show. Lila, being the director, assigned roles to each puppet and friend. Penny, the playful panda, would juggle colourful balls. Timmy, the talkative turtle, would tell silly jokes. Riley, the radiant rabbit, would dance to the rhythm, and Ollie, the outgoing owl, would deliver heartfelt messages. The real magic unfolded as the friends worked together, practicing their puppetry skills and creating a show that was both funny and heartwarming. Laughter filled the air as the enchanted puppets showcased their talents, leaving the audience in awe. Fluffly, with a twirl of his magical tail, added a sprinkle of extra magic. The puppets, now with a sense of teamwork and friendship, performed a grand finale that had everyone clapping and cheering. The Enchanted Puppet Show was a roaring success. As the curtain fell and the puppets took their final bow, Lila, Fluffly, and their friends realised that the real magic was not just in the enchantment of the puppets, but in the joy of working together. The friends, now bonded by the shared experience, promised to create more magical moments together, proving that in Laughterburg, the best adventures were the ones filled with laughter, friendship, and a touch of enchantment. And so, under the twinkling stars, Lila, Fluffly, and their friends celebrated the magic of togetherness, marking the end of a truly enchanted day in Laughterburg.